Show me the money.
You better yell, show me the money!
Hi, Steve Prescott here with another Financial Friday. Today I just wanted to talk about home values. So the number one question that a seller has when I go to their home to check out their property to see what the home is going to be worth is, where's the price? What's it going to be? So I wanted to talk about that because a lot of conversations come up about, well, I know my neighbor's house just sold for this, or there's a home over here that's a brand new construction and it's selling for this. And it's really important that the real estate professional can give you an accurate market analysis to know where to start on the home value, because everyone wants it to sell for the most that it can, obviously, but it really needs to be detailed in. And there are four major things that we look at when we're looking at home values. So the first one is recently sold homes within the last 4 to 6 months. Now, in this current market where things are moving very active and very fast, and it's a very active market, it's really good to get just homes that have sold in the last 2 months, because our market is just continually seems to be appreciating. So 2 months is ideal, but 4 to 6 months will work. The next thing is same age of construction, or at least pretty close. So I don't want to compare a home that is 10 years old with a new construction home. Obviously, construction prices are so high right now. Land costs are so high, so those aren't good comparisons. So we want to keep within about a 5-year range of the home, the age of the home. The other one is the same style. So if I could find all ranch-style homes, if your home is a ranch-style home, I want to find all ranch-style homes and try to compare that apples to apples, which would include, we're going to make adjustments for square footage, bedrooms, bathrooms, garages, and those sort of numbers that we have access to that we extract out of the data. But we want to be able to try to compare it apples to apples. And the fourth thing would be the same subdivision or like type area. So if I'm selling a home in Western Hills, I want to make sure that the other comps that I'm using are within Western Hills. So those are some things that we look at when we're putting a price on a home to maximize your profit and to get the price accurately within the market of what's happening. So if any of us at REMAX Capital Properties can add value to your day or help you with any real estate questions, please reach out to us. Thanks and have a great week.